Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Nykaa recently launched their Insta dry nail polishes in 28 different color options, and in today's video I would be swatching 5 shades out of the 28 shades that are available in the collection, and would also be talking about my personal experience about those nail polishes. I am currently wearing these nail polishes and I have had this particular color for a day and a half, so I think I can talk about my first impression on these nail polishes. Each nail polish retails for 199 rupees and I have 4 shades from the collection. I actually bought 5 shades from the collection, but while I was sitting to record this video, I accidentally broke one of these nail polishes. I was just trying to pick all the 5 nail polishes and it slipped from my hand and the bottle completely broke. Thankfully, I have swatched this particular nail polish before actually breaking it, so you would be able to see the nail swatch of this particular color also. But now I won't be able to use this color until I actually transfer it to some other like empty nail polish bottle, which I don't think I have. But yes, that being said, let's start with the review. So as always, before showing you the nail swatches and talking about the formula and the claims that are made by the brand, let's talk about the packaging first, which is like similar to all the other Nykaa nail polishes. It is like a very simple rectangular sort of a bottle with a white colored cap. The name of the brand and the variant is actually mentioned right here, like Nykaa Insta Dry, and the number of the nail polish is mentioned on a little sticker which is pasted on the top of the cap, as well as a little sticker is pasted on the side of the nail polish, which not only mentions the number but the name of the nail polish as well. I would be showing you this little sticker while doing the nail swatches so that you are able to see the name and the number of the nail polish that I'm swatching, along with the name that I would also be mentioning while swatching the colors. Now talking about the brush of these nail polishes, it is again like a very like regular sort of a brush. It is neither very thick nor very tiny, and it requires 2 swipes to completely cover the width of the nail. Now this all being said, before talking about the claims that are made by the company and what I feel about these nail polishes, let's get into the swatches. Welcome back. You have seen how all the 5 colors look like. Honestly saying, I ordered these 5 colors expecting in my mind that they are very like regular looking colors, but to my surprise, the color called Throwback Taupe, which I am currently wearing on my nails, and the one which I accidentally broke, which is called Fern Follower, they are exactly not the kind of shades I was expecting in my mind. In fact, the shade Fern Follower is something that I have never seen before. I have more than 150 bottles of nail polishes, and I do not have this sort of a shade with me. I won't say that I liked the uniqueness of this shade because honestly it wasn't looking too good on the first swipe, although yes, it was looking different and unique on the second swipe, but I would have been a little more sad if some other color would have broken. But yes, I didn't actually want this to break as well because it is new, and if I'm not able to transfer this in some other bottle, I'll completely waste my money. But that being said, let's talk about the claims that are made by the company. So the nail polishes are called Insta Dry nail polishes, which in my mind triggers the fact that they are quick drying, and I was assuming that it would take like a minute or so for these nail polishes to dry completely before I am able to apply the second layer, and that is how this product is actually being marketed also. Now coming to my personal experience about these polishes, I don't actually feel that they take even a minute to dry, because by the time I was done doing my 10th nail, I apply nail polish on both my hands, by the way. By the time I was done doing my 10th nail, my first nail was already dry, so I actually didn't even have to wait for a minute to let them dry, because again by the time I was completely done doing my second hand, my first hand was completely dry, and I was able to apply the second coat very easily. And the same thing goes for the second coat as well. Like, I applied the second coat, and by the time I was on my 10th nail, the nail polish was almost dry, and because I applied the color a little later on the second hand, I hardly waited for about 20 seconds to let the nail polish completely dry before I was able to do something else. So this is actually a very major plus about these nail polishes. They hardly requires any time to dry, and if you're somebody who leaves the nail polish for the end, this is a very good option for you. Coming to the price point, it retails for 199 rupees, which is on the middle range of price point, I would say. All the other Nykaa nail polishes also retail in the same range, but if you think that it is a little pricier as compared to the other nail polishes that are available, then you can easily wait for the offers or discounts that they have, and can get a good 20-25% off deal for buying these nail polishes. Now coming to the color selection of these nail polish, I personally am in love with the shade Rose Room. It is a very simple and like a very classy sort of a shade. This is actually a very different sort of a nail polish collection, I would say. It contains a very soft and very subtle nudie sort of a shades, as well as it contains some really weird sort of colors. Again, I would say, for example, the one that I'm wearing right now, this particular one called Throwback Taupe. In the picture, I actually thought that this is a black nail polish, but when I was applying it, it seemed more to be on the brown or dirty brown, blacky sort of a color. And honestly, like, I wouldn't say that I actually liked the color initially, specifically because of my currently short nails. I didn't feel that this particular color is very flattering on my short nails, but now that it has been a while, I think it looks more of a like gray brown. Actually, taupe would be the right word to say, and it actually looks not that bad, and if you'll have a little longer nails, it would absolutely look stunning. Now coming to the consistency of these nail polishes actually have a very good consistency. Like, I applied the first coat on all 5 of my fingers just by using the color once on my brush, and it was enough for all 5 of my nails. Like, I just dipped my brush once and all 5 of my nails were done. I was surprised, and it is not that I didn't remove the excess or something, but somehow the consistency made it work very nicely. Pigmentation of these nail polishes is also pretty good. Like, you can go well with one coat as well, but I personally like to apply 2 coats of nail polishes so that it helps it last a little longer. Now talking about longevity of these nail polishes, they can stay good up to like 3 to 4 days, like any other Nykaa nail polish, or for that matter any other nail polish. But after that, it will start to fade from the top edges, and if you work a lot in the kitchen or have a habit of washing your hands pretty regularly, then I guess 2 days is the max that these nail polishes can last completely intact, completely well the way you applied it. Overall, for me, I would say that yes, I did like these nail polishes, and there are 2 main reasons for that. First, it's the fact that they dry very quickly, the Insta Dry claim, and secondly, the color selection of these nail polishes is very unique. I am pretty intrigued about trying a lot of shades from the collection, and I think I might do a part 2 of this video. I would not be buying the nail polishes in full price, but I would love to try more colors from the collection. So if you are interested in seeing a part 2 of this video and would like to see more colors from the collection, then do let me know in the comment section down below which particular colors are you interested in, and I would just wait for a little sale on Nykaa and just buy them and do a part 2 for you guys. So yes, that's it for my thoughts on these newly launched Nykaa Insta Dry nail polishes. If you are interested in seeing more nail videos on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.